It's in one of these. I know. I might have put it in Chelsea's.
Sexy legs,
Just
Dad.
check them out.
Huh?
Sexy legs.
Usually don't see any light.
No.
You can go through mine, honey butt.
Kaden. Kaden, come here.
Oh, he's back to doing the floor.
Frosty the Snowman.
Oh, wow, look at that. That is cool. Oh.
Over here too.
No, it should be in this one.
You missed the picture of us.
Remember correctly.
Oh, I'm sorry. Do I look
Would you like
stupid?
another one?
Yeah, one more.
I couldn't leave you guys out.
Hey, you took mine as
It was
well.
like me, like.
I did not, you took it.
Oh,
This one here.
I got it, Lou.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That is, what a great idea that is.
Oh, you guys did one for them?
Yep.
Nice.
That's a great
I got him a desktop one because I don't know where they're paying it or
idea.
travel with it.
Season greetings, bye.